Hello and welcome to another video where I will be talking about brushes in Photoshop CS6. So the only thing I have here is a layer and it's not locked, so it's a simple layer, and here I have selected the brush tool. Right, so you have the brush tool, the pencil, the color replacement tool and the mixer brush tool. This is how it looks for me, but let's see what exactly is this. So the color here is getting from this one, so it's the foreground color, and let me tell you here a trick. If you just press X on your keyboard, then the foreground and background color are changing. So right now I will have like a white color, but if I hit on X, then I will have this bluish color. So I'm going to have like Control Z to go back. And then another thing is these brushes here. I don't usually use them, but you have like a 2B pencil airbrush, non-photo blue pencil and a paintbrush oval 45 pixels multiplied. I don't think that you will use these a lot. Sorry for that. And now I have these brushes here. The first one is for the size, so the smaller, then you see like a smaller line here, and then this is for the hardness. So the hardness is, let me make something bigger so it's more visible to you. For example, now I have this, which is quite hard, right? But if I have like the hardness to, let's say, 25%, then you'll see that the lines in the edges are not very hard. So this is the one with the hard lines, and this is the one that's not so hard. I think that the difference is quite visual. Then you have all these brushes that you can select by. If you don't have a lot of brushes, then it's very easy to download them. Just Google free download brushes for Photoshop, and you can then import it from here. Like new brush preset, and you have all these things, load brushes, alright? So from there you can download brushes from internet and then load them here. Okay, cool. So let's just say that I like this one. So this one will go like this. Maybe that's not very visual. Or you can change the color. Let's go to this one. And again, you can see the colors. Alright, let's go back to the one that I'm using more, which is something like this. And I'm going to have like a 50% of hardness, and the size, I will have it like 100 pixels. So let me tell you another trick. Remember the 100 pixels? If you go to your keyboard and there is the open bracket and the close bracket. If you hit the open bracket, you'll see, sorry, the close bracket, you will see that the line here, it's getting really small, like 1 pixel. And if you go to your close brackets, then you will see that it's getting bigger and bigger. So I would suggest you learn these hotkeys, like open and close brackets. And the other brackets, sorry, the other hotkey that I mentioned was for the X, so you can change quickly for the background to foreground color. And yes, that was a very quick tutorial on brushes. Thank you very much for watching. Stay tuned.